Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a three-part question. We want to find pressure, quality, and density. We have a rigid tank with a volume of 1.9 meters cubed, a temperature of 220 degrees Celsius. The tank contains steam. It is a mixture, 1/3 liquid, 2/3 vapor. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknowns. Step 3, find the pressure. We know it's a saturated mixture because they told us in the question. Step 4, go to your property table. You can Google search, look up at the back of your textbook or PDF. See the pinned comment for the table numbers. I can't reveal the table numbers for legal reasons. Note that this is a custom-made property table to solve this question. Okay, so go to your temperature table because that's what they give you, and we know it's a saturated mixture, so the pressure will be 2319.6 kPa. So that's part A done. For part B, we want to find the quality. So first we need to find the formula. So quality X is equal to mass of the gas divided by the total mass. We're going to find the total mass first because it contains the mass of the gas. So step 7, find the formula for total mass, mass of the fluid plus mass of the gas. Step 8, find mass of the fluid. So mass of the fluid is equal to the actual volume of the fluid divided by the specific volume of fluid. Step 9, find mass of the fluid. So 1/3 multiplied by 1.9 meters cubed. This 1/3 is given in the question. And the specific volume is found in your property table over here. Okay. So your specific volume of fluid is 0.001190 meters cubed per kilogram. You'll get 532.2 kilograms. Okay, so next you want to find your mass of gas. Formula, same method. The actual volume of gas divided by your specific volume of gas. So step 11, find the mass of gas. 2/3 multiplied by 1.9 meters cubed, and then multiplied by your specific volume, you get 14.7 kilograms. Step 12, find the total mass. You just add them together, you get 546.9 kilograms. Step 13, find the quality. So mass of gas divided by the total mass, you'll get 0.0268. It is unitless because kilograms cancel out. Step 14, find the density formula for part C. So rho is the symbol which represents density. It is 1 over the volume. Note that we need to calculate the volume because now we found the quality. Okay, so the formula is capital V for the actual volume is equal to the specific volume of fluid plus the quality multiplied by the specific volume of gas minus the specific volume of fluid. Step 16, we're going to find the actual volume, so we're just going to plug and play. All of these values are found in your property table, and the quality is found in step 13 right over here. Your property table values is in your textbook. Okay, or in step 4 if you don't have the textbook. So just use these two values. Alright, so you'll get 0.00346 meters cubed per kilogram. Step 17, find the density. So just plug and play. And then you'll get 289.01 kilograms per meter cubed because you bring the kilogram up and your meters cube remains in the bottom. Okay, so disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Once open, click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.